In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR, which stands for Central Pivot Range, in Tradingview. To start, make sure you have Tradingview open and you're looking at the chart you want to analyze. Tradingview is a fantastic tool for all sorts of trading analytics, and finding CPRs can give you significant insights into market trends. Once you've got your chart open, the next thing to do is navigate to the top of the screen where you'll find an icon labeled Indicators. This is going to be your gateway to accessing a multitude of analysis tools, including the CPR. Click on that icon and you'll see a dialog box where you can search for specific indicators. In the search box, type in CPR. What you're doing at this point is looking for community scripts. These are invaluable as they're often created by experienced traders who contribute their own working strategies and analytics tools back to the community. Exploring these can sometimes reveal indicators you didn't even know you needed. Once you've searched for CPR, browse through the results until you find the script that suits your needs best. When you've found one that looks promising, simply click on the indicator's name, and it will automatically be added to your chart. You should now see 3 main lines appear on your chart, which represents the central pivot range. These lines are crucial as they indicate areas of potential support and resistance. They can help you predict possible breakout levels and give you an idea of the strength of current trends. This is particularly useful if you're trying to identify the optimal times to enter or exit trades. If you need to tweak the settings, you might want to adjust timeframes, colors, and styles to match your preferences. This is done by right-clicking on the indicator on your chart and selecting the Settings option. Within this menu, you can adapt the visual appearance to make the indicator more understandable at a glance. Another useful tip is to head over to the Style tab within the settings to further customize how the lines look on your chart. Maybe change the thickness or colors according to what makes the most sense for your visual analysis. With everything set, you can now use the central pivot range effectively to identify key support and resistance zones. By understanding where these areas are, you'll have a better idea of potential breakout levels, which could lead to more strategic trading decisions. Using CPR effectively can significantly enhance your trading strategy, giving you an edge by clarifying the strength and direction of market trends. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to integrate CPR into your Tradingview analysis. Until next time, keep experimenting and refining your approach to become an even stronger trader.